guys, I just want to do a quick little update on these red seat covers by LexlandGear. Let's just go ahead and dive right into it. I've had these for around a couple months now, and they've been very, very good to me. All right, so we're here in the 2025 4Runner Premium. Now you're probably thinking, why do you need seat covers if you already have the premium package? Honestly, technically, I didn't really need these with the premium package, but I wanted it anyways because cannot deny that this red really looks nice in this 4Runner. And on top of that, my 4Runner is all white. So I got an all white 4Runner, and these tier D caps are accented in red. Also, I got these tow hooks from LexlandGear as well, and these tow hooks are red. Let me get a little closer. So all this to say that red and black in a white car just looks really nice. As you can see, the red really accents the color of the vehicle well. And yes, my seats were already premium before the seat covers, but hey, what's extra protection gonna do? You know, it's gonna do a lot. So now I'm protecting my other premium seats in case I need to sell this car, which I probably won't. But if I do ever need to, now my premium seats underneath of these seat covers are going to be fully brand new because I'm protecting them. This looks nice. Almost looks like the seats come like this because the way they're designed. Even comes with a little pocket here. And you see how it's nice and tucked in all the way through the front. It's very professional. It's great quality. You know, yeah, there's not much to say. Has a nice armrest right there. I mean, Lexland did a great job on these seat covers. One, it feels really good quality. Two, the color is great, and they have other colors on their website. And it does a great job on protecting your seats. So far, so good. Highly recommend these seat covers by LexlandGear. If you want to know how to install these, I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll add it right here to the video. And yeah, it also comes with the back seat covers, but as you can see, because I got kids in the car seats, I didn't do that one yet. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now until the kids get a little older, then I'll throw those in there. But yeah, so far so good. These seat covers, really like these seat covers. If you want a discount on these seat covers, use code word REDEEM. That's REDEEM, and get 20% off on these seat covers or any other accessories on their website. Go to LexlandGear.com. Use the code word REDEEM. Take care. God bless.